uh, we are in a world where criticizing sometimes dominates us, and we are encouraged to criticize others. But what if we say that a genuine love can change a person ultimately? But on the other hand, we say there is a saying that love is blind. So if love is blind, then how can it change somebody's life? Because from the beginning, okay. So if love is blind, then how can it change somebody's life? It might lead you in a wrong path. So for that reason, for discussing that matter, our topic for today is love, not judgment, can change a person ultimately. So I have my co-speakers. Let's begin this skull session. So first, I would like to call upon Rishita, please.
Okay, so our topic is love, not judgment, can change a person ultimately. Here, I want to focus the word ultimately. So it can be ultimately. So now, when we describe love, love is all about infatuation. Love is all about affection, which we show upon to our nearest and dearest ones. So, and on the other hand, judgment. I want to focus on that particular word, that judgment can also have its positive and negative impacts. So when we talk about that, it has positive impacts in such as when our parents show us that you are doing it in a wrong way. You should do it in another way, that in that way that would be appropriate. So here they are judging ourselves, they are judging our capabilities, and for that reason I think for a certain extent judgment is required, or else we won't develop ourselves, we won't be a human being, we won't get the fruit possibly. So here I think judgment is required, but not ultimately.
Okay, as you said about our parents, right? So in many cases you will see that for this judgment we are getting from our parents, many children like us, like you also, young people, they are losing, or they are not being able to get their own interest. Suppose you have an interest in something particular, suppose dancing, singing, but your parents it might happen, or it happens actually, your parents will tell you to focus on studies, okay, more than dancing or singing. So it might hamper your own interest.
Here I can see eye to eye with you, because you know that there are so many scope. If a person is very much keen on dancing or maybe art, so there are various colleges who will take the initiative to teach that particular person, and afterwards he will improve or himself a lot, and for that reason he will one day become an artist. There are so many digital paintings as well as and another sculptures and arts, and so many things they can do. So I will.
But people like you, people like me, we are saying, but as we know, our parents, they are not actually aware of these things, okay, because most of them, because they are from our means previous generations, right? So they are not aware of these things. I know what you're saying, it's right, but they are not aware of these things.
But now today's the technology is being developed, and for that reason they are also encouraging us to do whatever we like to do, and for that reason it's natural that we are engaging ourselves what we like to do.
Okay, so in this thing you are saying the judgment is means over the love. So here is no love.
Here we are on the fence, that we can't say that I first on that very beginning of my speech I told that here ultimately I'm not focusing on that word. Ultimately it won't. That doesn't mean when my parents are judging me, that doesn't mean that they won't love me. They love me, but they are judging me to see that to see my capabilities, to see that how can I cope cope up with all my activities, all my extra curriculum, such as my hobbies and other things.
So I had a different question. My question is, you are saying you started that this judgment is all right. This kind of judgment from parents. So here is no love. That's what my question is. You are choosing judgment. So no love.
Love is also there, but it's based upon the situation. From which
This
situation?
particular situation I'm talking about.
These particular
Means
situations.
parents are telling you to do something or correcting, means they are rectifying you. So there is no love. That's what I'm telling.
Yeah.
Is it judgment or is it love? You have to
Is it
choose. This is the
judgment?
topic.
This is judgment.
No love.
No love. Love is I also tell that it's an affection or it's sometimes infatuation.
Infatuation.
Sometimes happens when we
What
when
does infatuation means?
infatuation means if you had a crush of somebody else or
So
like
it's,
that.
it's false.
It's false when
So
teenagers.
it is the infatuation from your parents.
No,
How can it be?
when teenagers are engaging themselves with somebody else, then it called sometimes an infatuation. But here it's you can say that's unconditional love
From your
for
parents.
parents' perspective, for everybody's parents' perspective.
Then it
as
is
well.
love, not
Then it is-
judgment.
Then it's love, but judgment is another perspective when we choose upon our careers. Okay, and hobbies as well, and extra curriculums. So I think that they should allow us to do what we like to do.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rishita.